Hi everybody, I'm Sabrina Briani and welcome to my first little Lyra tutorial. So today I'm going to be starting off with a pretty simple transition, lots of fun, and a really good stretch. We're going to start by facing the Lyra. Fingers to face you, grip the bottom of your hoop and engage your elbows towards your body. Using a little bit of momentum, raise your hips up and straddle your legs wide to wrap your knees onto the Lyra. Cross at your ankles and secure yourself. With a little bit more momentum, start pushing down through your feet and take your hands to either side of the hoop as you start to climb your way and sit inside of your Lyra. Shimmy back on it perfectly so that you rest just at the hamstrings before the knee and its attachments. Taking a firm grip at either side of the center of the hoop. Lean back to create a little space and bending at your knee, externally rotate at the hip. So take that knee away from you, arching away from the Lyra. To transition this into your wine glass, take that same leg and extend it out away from you, beginning to slide your glutes to the opposite side of the Lyra. Be careful to keep your shoulder blade inside, opposite to the leg you've extended. So that extended leg, be sure to trap at your calf just before the heel. If your toes reach the ground, add a little spin or ask a friend, but be sure to add your arms. Have fun, and remember guys, magical lives are not mythical. You're flying.